Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what I picked up in the March 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so this is an extremely heavy bag. What I don't know, because old lady brain, bad memory, I know it's only been 2 weeks. I don't, A, remember what I selected, and B, I don't recall if I picked up any add-ons. So it's either extra heavy because I got some add-ons, or it's full of skincare, because we all know makeup weighs lighter than the skincare. All right, enough rambling. All right, speaking of bags, this here is the design for March. In the camera, it's like doo-doo-doo-doo, like giving kind of optical illusions, not so much in person. So if anyone isn't aware, it's a $28 beauty subscription. You get 5 full-size products, and believe it or not, you get to select 3 of the 5 items, so yay. And they show you at the time of selection the other 2 items. So in theory, I should know everything I'm getting. Do I remember? No? Okay. What is the first item? What is this? We have, from Rich Biatch, a Cactus plus Vitamin C Moisturizer. Ooh, not for resale. Interesting. That's interesting. It's by a company called FRECK Beauty. And what are you? Oh, okay, so it's in one of those like aluminum or tin containers. I assume you're going to have to... No! Oh! Normally, this container, you have to turn the cap upside down and poke it. This is not safety sealed. Just, sometimes we don't get stuff safety sealed, but because this is in a metal tube, I find that very suspicious. But because it isn't safety sealed, I will be able to do a little sniff test and try on. Does have a scent of, I don't ask me. It did go into the skin lovely. Okay, so this is basically just a moisturizer for your face. Has a bunch of vitamins, Cactus, yada yada. It's 1.7 fluid ounces and retails for $32. Okay, next item. What is this? This is from Ona, New York. And this here is a Brightening Eye Cream, which is 15 ml, pretty standard. Already 2 for 2 skincare heavy. I'm 55, so it doesn't bother me as much as others, although it is nice to get some makeup. Interesting applicator. It's very tiny, and I assume we're going to squeeze it on out. Okay, she's white. Why am I doing the middle finger? I do not know. This one has a subtle scent as well. Oh, the other one, maybe the Cactus scent. It wasn't obnoxious. It smelled slightly floral, very subtle. This one also has a soft, not obnoxious. I'm going with not obnoxious. So the Ona eye cream retails for $42. For 15 ml, I'd say that's middle of the road. Leaning expensive, but not the 80, 90, 115. No, it's doable. Okay, next item. All right, what is this? Looks like a lip product. No. Okay, so this is from a brand called Lucky Chick, and it's a liquid eyeshadow in Rose Quartz. I honestly don't remember if I picked this or not. Okay, so that is beautiful. I'm not a big user of the liquid. Oh, interesting. I'll have to do a swatch. I can't tell if that's a brush or an actual doe foot. It's right there. And after using the applicator, I still can't tell whether, I think it's a flat paddle, but watch. So when you put it on, it kind of looks good, but then when you go back, it like takes it away. I don't know if that's picking up. But I like the color. I like the shimmer. Maybe it's best to just plop it on your hand, grab a brush or your finger, but I'm not mad at it. It's makeup. All right, what does the little online card say about this guy? All right, so apparently I did select this, and it retails for $22. All right, next item. What is this? Oh, yes, coming back to me. This here is from the Refreshments line, which Ipsy, I'm not clear if it's their brand or if they just partner with them, but you can pick up these items as a separate, like, I don't want to call it subscription. Maybe it's a subscription. You can get these every week, month, whatever the frequency is. What is this, you may be asking? This is the Radiant Micellar Water. I thought this was an add-on at first, and I discovered, no, this here was one of my choices, which to me says the choices were no bueno. This retails for $18. That's a little pricey in my opinion. My opinion, only for a micellar water. I don't know. How many ml do you get? 6.7 fluid ounces or 198 ml. I don't know. How much is the Garnier? $6-7? I don't know. All right, and the last item, I do remember selecting this. We have a palette from a brand I'm not familiar with called KARMELA Cosmetics, and this is the Defiance palette. I did see some YouTubers do like a PR unboxing, and they did have this, and it looks beautiful. I know everyone's like, boring, have it already. This is just right up my alley. I love a good neutral, everyday kind of palette. Let's do a few swatches. All right, so here are some of the swatches there. They swatch beautifully, even though swatches have nothing to do with how they perform in your eyes, but they swatch nicely to actually see the colors. I'm excited to give this palette a try. Okay, so that is everything that came in my box. Plus, I did get 3 add-ons. I know I'm on a low buy, but hey, my money, my face, my joy of makeup. Let me share those real quick, and then I'll recap what actually came in the subscription. Ooh, what is this? This here is from a brand I'm not familiar with called MAELLE, and it's a Sunkissed blush. Yes, although of all the days, I went ham on my blush. Although on camera, these lights, man, they sure wash me out. And I'm noticing this has 16 grams of product. That seems like a lot. If I can get the box open, we'll take a look. Oh, the packaging's beautiful. I hope I don't blind you, and you can see behind the scenes how messy. It's one of those metal that kind of functions as a mirror. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay, now it's all coming back to me. This I picked up as an add-on. Isn't that beautiful? I know I'm on a low buy, but come on. Look at the color story. Look at the shapes. Yeah. And now I know why it's 16 grams, because honestly, you have like 10 or 12 different blushes in one compact. All right. I think this was $12. I don't know. Something will be on screen. All right. Yes. Memory coming back. Add-on. I then picked up this little sample size of a waterproof gel eyeliner in black, my favorite. I'm on the hunt for a good one that doesn't transfer. This is from a brand called L.O.C.K or L.O.C.K color. Never heard of the brand. It was $3.50. I thought, why not? So that's what I picked up as far as add-ons. All right, let's recap everything that came in the box. I got a micellar water from Refreshments, a Vitamin C Moisturizer, a Brightening Eye Cream, a liquid eyeshadow, and an 8-pan eyeshadow palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are not too shabby. Is it the best box? No. But is it the worst? No. I got 2 makeup items and 2 skincare and one that straddles the line. I don't know. How would you classify micellar water? Takes off makeup, but it's for the skin. I don't know. It's like a hybrid. But compared to my BoxyCharm, yeah. This is spectacular. I do recall when I made my selections, I think I was a little, if I landed on a micellar water from Refreshments, the other choices must not have been that good. So let me know, what'd you get in your box? Was this a bad box, a good box, a meh box? Honestly, I think I'm comparing it to Boxy. Not too shabby. I don't hate it. So that's good. Yay. I love how our standards are. I don't hate it. All right. I'm going to list the MSRP value of the box. Hopefully it is well worth the $28. I think this eyeshadow palette is spectacular, which, what was it, $35? So to me, that paid for the box. And I will use the micellar water. I will use the eye cream. I don't know, the face cream scares me that it wasn't safety sealed. I can always use it on my hands. So yeah, this box was pretty darn good. There isn't really anything other than the liquid eyeshadow. I just, in general, has nothing to do with Ipsy or this brand. Just in general, I don't reach for liquid eyeshadows, but it is makeup. So yeah, this was a good box. All right, leave me your comments. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know what you got in your box. All right, enough rambling. What do I got to do? Oh yeah, the YouTuber stuff. Make sure you're subscribed. If you already have, thank you. Click the bell icon, the thumbs up, the yada yadas. Yeah, and I'm getting really close-ish to 1,000. So if anyone who supports me, when you go to bed, if you want to let like a playlist of mine run, I need to start getting my watch hours up. All right, that's, yeah, you're a trooper. You're a true wygowarrior supporter if you let a video play to the end. I much appreciate it. All right, thanks everyone.